Let's have a look at the students' learning outcomes. After completing this unit, students will be able to use pre-reading strategies to predict a story by looking at pictures in the text. Interact with the text and use reading strategies while reading to locate factual information. Respond to the text, that is post-reading, to express likes or dislikes about the story. Locate texts or lessons by looking at titles and pictures. Arrange a list of words in alphabetical order. Articulate, recognize, and use some formulaic expressions to express and offer a few basic social courtesies. Demonstrate common conventions and dynamics of oral interactions in group to participate in conversation. Listen to a story or fairy tale of a few sentences read aloud by the teacher. Read aloud the same story or fairy tale themselves. Spell simple 1 or 2 syllable words. Respond physically to and use some common action words. Fill in the missing information to complete simple sentences. Write appropriate naming and action words to identify an object or an action in a picture. Honorable teacher, naming words means nouns and action words mean verbs. Demonstrate common conventions and dynamics of oral interaction in group to express basic emotions. Oral interaction in group means dialogues. चूंकि डायलॉग हर बाब में है, शायद एक आध में नहीं होगा, तो ये डायलॉग मैं आपके लिए पढ़ के सुनाया करूंगा, लेकिन बच्चों के लिए ये लर्निंग आउटकम है कि दे डेमोन्स्ट्रेट कॉमन कन्वेंशन एंड डायनामिक्स। मतलब ये है कि इसमें कन्वेंशनली क्या होता है, ये रिवायात क्या हैं और ये कैसे होता है डायनामिक्स।